chest to Treasure Island. Do you see the treasure chest? Yeah, here it is. Well, I know the way to get to Treasure Island.
Ito ba?
First, you have to sound bracelet seas. Then go under singing bridge. And if you succeed,
Kaya mo siya mag-climb.
got to that Treasure Island.
Climb mo siya.
And try to catch singing stars along the way. So remember, seas, bridge, Treasure Island.
Kaya mo siya mag-climb.
Sing it with me.
Hindi ka mag-climb lang. Hindi na kaya.
Treasure Island. Seas, bridge,
Doon kaya kayo sa taas.
Treasure Island.
Dali. What the